Hey guys, so before I buy more tools, I want to buy extension organizers, uh, better socket organizers, ratchet organizers, and a bunch of other organizers to completely organize my top chest. And then after that, buy more tools after all the tools I already have. Which, some of the tools I want to buy are Snap-on truck. There's a select, I want to buy more Snap-on. And then there's some off the Cornwell truck I want to buy. And then some from like probably Home Depot, Lowe's, some of the auto parts stores, Napa Advance, O'Reilly's. AutoZone, and probably a bunch of other places I can't think of as of right now.